Hello friends, welcome to another video series in Flow. We are going to see today in this video avoiding creating or updating a record with record trigger flow. Let me show you how I did. As you can see, this is my sometimes when we enter email, then the system doesn't accept with the same email because same person, two different people, same email is not possible. As you can see, we have, this is my teacher object, okay, and my teacher object is here. So let me see teacher object. In teacher object, let me show you again. We have email and each person has a unique email. So when it is duplicates, when another person enters same email, then the system must avoid that, doesn't accept that. So the time when we create a new teacher, then the same email shouldn't be possible. The system must tell a message, this email already exists. Maybe we can write something like that. So for this, we are going to use flow. But before flow, in our object, we need to have two things. What to have? Teacher. Let me see. Teacher. I have my teacher object, custom object. And then for this, I have created one field, like to check validation. And which is a checkbox, as you can see. Okay. This is a checkbox. It is unchecked. It should be unchecked. Okay. If this checkbox is unchecked, and then what I do, I go to validation rule, then I check. Okay. I put a validation rule, which is active, and validation check field. Okay. I put here, so it is false. So if it is false, it's fine. If it's true, then my validation will be activated. So you cannot create a record with same email. Okay, you cannot create or update. So this one as you wish, where you want to put. Validation check. It is unchecked. So after this, then what we do, we go to our flow, and which is record trigger flow. You click here or you edit here. As you can see, our object is teacher, and the time the record is created or updated, and which is before. Be careful. This part is, as you can see, it is before trigger here, as you can see. Let me erase. Then done. After this condition, then what I do, I have get records or update. For this, I have my email, and which is with email. And if you want to have this email field, okay, like in my object, I have email, right? Then if I want to have matched it with a record, so it will first you write record and then email option you click, and then all records, and then done. Now I am getting all the emails, okay, which whatever I have there. Then what I am going to do, I am going to make decision present. So like validate existing records. If it is my outcome, first if it is present, like get teacher's record existing is null. If it's null true, it means it is null. If it is null false, it means it has one or more than one records. So if it is null is false, it means it has some, then my validation rule will be activated. When okay, so here record validation check, my variable, and then equals to true. I'll click here to see. So I put an assignment. If it is my validation, this condition is present. If it is present, then record validation check. If it is true, then will be activated. Then I will not be able to create a record. This is my flow, and then you just save as name of your flow, activate it. For example, if I go and come here and then create a new record, teacher is, what name is like Ronaldo, last name is not, an email. If I put this email, which I think I have on the system, you cannot create or update record with the same email. You see, my trigger is being activated. If I put something different, li, then because I was having, let me see here, teachers, I was having with another person with same email. That's why the system didn't accept and created a new one. So with this, we can, create a flow, record trigger flow, and then to check if it is exist, then we assign. So in this, with this flow, so person cannot create or update an email of the person which should be unique. I hope it helped you. Thank you very much. If you like the video, you can make a like and then subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.